Hello everyone, this is Raj and you are watching the Civil Network YouTube channel. Today we are coming up with a new wonderful series of SSC JEE previous year questions for SSC JEE 2022. This is the part 1 of 25 January 2018 paper evening shift. I hope you all are excited. Let's start with our first question. Question number 1. What is the standard size of the cube in mm which is used to calculate the strength of concrete? Options are A 20, B 60, C 70, D 150. So the correct answer option number D 150. Question number 2. Which one of the following shows the total quantities of all the items of material required for completion of the construction? Options are A bar bending schedule, B material statement, C sunrise, D work charge establishment. So the correct answer is option number B material statement. Question number 3. What is the approximate ratio of 7 days compressive strength to the 228 days compressive strength of cement concrete? Options are A 0.65, B 0.95, C 1.5, D 2.0. So the correct answer is option number A 0.65. Question number 4. Which of the following quantities is not measured in square meter? Your options are A dam proof course, B pointing, C shuttering, D drip course. So the correct answer is option number D drip course. Question number 5. The vernier that is calibrated in the direction opposite to the main scale is called as. Your options are A direct vernier, B double vernier, C extended vernier, D retrograde vernier. So the correct answer is option number D retrograde vernier. Question number 6. Which one of the following survey is used to define the property line? Your options are A city survey, B cadastral survey, C land survey, D topographical survey. So the correct answer is option number B cadastral survey. Question number 7. In the isothermal condition, the isothermal bulk modulus of an ideal gas is equals to. Your options are A gas constant, B pressure, C temperature, D viscosity. So the correct answer is option number B pressure. Question number 8. The intensity of pressure at any point in the liquid at rest is same in all the directions. This statement is given by. Your options are A law of conservation of energy, B law of conservation of mass, C Newton's law, D Pascal's law. So the correct answer is option number D Pascal's law. Question number 9. The maximum axial load which is just sufficient to keep a column in a small deflected shape is called as. Your options are A crippling load, B buckling load, C critical load, D all options are correct. So the correct answer is option number D all options are correct. Question number 10. A rivet joint may experience. Your options are A tearing failure of plate, B bearing failure of plates, C splitting failure of plates at the edges, D all options are correct. So the correct answer is option number D all options are correct. Question number 11. The deflection of beams may decreased by. Your options are A increasing the depth of beam, B increasing the span, C decreasing the depth of beam, or D increasing the width of beam. So the correct answer is option number A increasing the depth of beam. Question number 12. CRRI charts are used to obtain a relationship between the strength of concrete and. Your options are A water cement ratio, B workability, C grading aggregates, D fineness modulus. So the correct answer is option number A water cement ratio. Question number 13. The surface where two successive placement of concrete meet are known as. Your options are A contraction joint, B expansion joint, C construction joint, D both contraction joint and expansion joint. So the correct answer is option number C construction joint. Question number 14. Addition of pozzolana to ordinary Portland cement causes. Your options are A. Reduction in early strength, B. Reduction in chemical action with sulfates, C. Increase in shrinkage, D. All of the above. So the correct answer is option number D, all of the above. Question number 15. The length of the straight portion of a bar beyond the end of the hook should be at least. Your options are A. Twice the diameter, B. Thrice the diameter, C. 4 times the diameter, D. 7 times the diameter. So the correct answer is option number C, 4 times the diameter. Question number 16. The maximum ratio of span to depth of the cantilever beam is. Your options are A. 7, B. 10, C. 12, D. 14. So the correct answer is option number A, 7. Question number 17. A precast pile shape generally used is. Your options are A. Circular, B. Square, C. Octagonal, D. Square with corner chamfered. So the correct answer is option number D, square with corner chamfered. Question number 18. The design of a retaining wall assumes that the retained earth. Your options are A. is dry, B. is free from moisture, C. is not cohesive, D. all of the above. So the correct answer is option number D, all of the above. Question number 19. In plastic analysis, the shape factor for rectangular section is. Your options are A. 1.4, B. 1.5, C. 1.6, D. 1.7. So the correct answer is option number B, 1.5. Question number 20. The ratio of crippling load of a column having both ends fixed to the column having both the ends hinged is. Your options are A1, B2, C3, D4. So the correct answer is option number D. Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video and subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day.